Hello artists! So we are learning about Yayoi Kusama and her pumpkins. Up, I got some spooky fingers. Yayoi Kusama, here are her pumpkins, yellow with black polka dots. And they're wavy pumpkins. They're a little wacky, not like the normal shape that you normally see when you carve a pumpkin. So let's get started. I need a blank sheet of paper, so let's see. There we go. I got a blank sheet of paper now. So, everyone should have a piece of paper. Again, it doesn't matter if it's a lined notebook paper or a copy paper or sketchbook paper, whatever you have available at home. And of course, you friends always use a pencil, like Miss Decora always uses a Sharpie on her videos, just so that you can see what Miss Decora is doing. Okay, but with your pencil, you have an eraser, and it's okay to make mistakes, and you can try again with an eraser. So let's get started. You're going to want 3 pumpkins for our 3 complementary colors. Our main ones that we want to use. And think about your first pumpkin. I'm going to make my first one in the middle and my 2 on the side, but closer to me. Remember, foreground, middle ground, background, so the biggest and the thing overlapping on top. So here's my first pumpkin. You can copy me if you'd like to watch this video later and copy me. Otherwise, if you want to try your hand at making your own pumpkins, go right ahead, okay? You can try different wacky shapes. You can do regular pumpkins. You can try to copy Yayoi Kusama's pumpkins. Or again, if you really like to do Miss Decora's pumpkins, you are more than welcome to look at this video later and pause the video whenever you need to catch up. It is totally up to you. You're the artist of your artwork. Now my second pumpkin, I'm going to do a regular one over here, and I'm doing it a different kind of way, starting in the middle and then working out. Okay, you can do the first way I did or this way, whatever is easiest or whatever you prefer. Now watch, I'm going to make this pumpkin go in the background. So I just make that line go, but I don't connect it all the way because my first pumpkin up front in the foreground is going to overlap it, okay? You can practice with your pencil by making the full line and erasing or playing around with it. If this seems to be very tricky for you, please try. I want to see you try to overlap your pumpkin to get that foreground, background action. Again, same thing over here with my third and last pumpkin. Remember, you need 3 pumpkins. I'm changing my shape up a little bit, and I'm making my pumpkin go behind my first pumpkin again to make it look like it's in the background, right? By my first pumpkin always overlapping my other 2. Okay? And remember, we're making 3 pumpkins for our 3 main complementary colors we're focusing on, which will be blue, orange, yellow, purple, and red and green. Remember, those give you the highest contrast and make the colors stand out the best. They're across from each other on the color wheel. And then also, to incorporate Yayoi Kusama into our project, our featured artist of this project, include those polka dots, because that's where you're going to get to use those complementary colors at your advantage. Add polka dots to all the different stripes of your pumpkins, as I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to fast forward this part. Here we go. I'm fast forwarding all of my polka dots, and you will see in a second all of the color that I add in. Please take your time, you are artists, do not rush. And remember to keep these in a safe spot when you are completely done, because I might ask for you to send it in later. Alright, so let's add some color. Alright, here we go. Let's change this up. Alright, I got my blue and orange complementary. My yellow purple complementary. And my last one, boop, my green, and red complementary. So focus on those 3 complementary colors on your 3 pumpkins, focusing on those dots with Yayoi Kusama. Have fun!